Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has bounced today. It's moving up into, well, further towards the 100% extension target. I mean, this is pretty much in line with the plan. I talked about it earlier today in both videos today. I explained the relevance of this $110,187 level. That's the 100% extension target. An ideal target for the C wave in this bounce. We're approaching that now. It's quite funny that we're approaching it right at the, well, probably just around the weekly candle close. It's really interesting. Weekend rallies can usually not be trusted so much. Volume is lower, okay, and we have not closed the weekly candle yet. Let's talk a little bit about this move to the downside. It obviously started up here around 126,400. The move to the downside can still extend, but as soon as we break above these two levels, 109,740, important resistance level, and 110,187, also an important resistance level, I think the pressure would rather be on the upside, okay? For now, this is a move down that can still extend. We do have a three-wave move up into resistance, and of course the market can get rejected there and continue the move down. But as I said in the last video, that would require a break below this swing low at around 106,200 to get the downside move started. For now, the local pressure seems to be up, and also this C wave to the upside looks a bit unfinished, so one or two more pushes higher are possible, even in the white scenario, in which we have to pay very close attention to these resistance levels. I have added a blue microstructure to the chart that would explain how a micro 5-wave move up would look like. It is so far a 3-wave move up, so whichever way I twist and turn this, it is a 3-wave move up. So it's not impulsive. I could, in the blue count, call this a wave 1, a wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3, and we could get a 4 and a 5, and then we get 5 waves up. So this would be what's needed, 5 waves to round about 112K. Then we can talk about, okay, have we got a more meaningful low in place? And then we can talk about higher prices. I talked in the first video earlier today about the bullish divergence that we saw on the 4-hour time frame. That typically is an indication we can go higher, but obviously we need to see how the weekly candle closes and do we get a break above these resistance levels. That is very, very meaningful. That should tell you all the relevant levels that we need to be watching over the coming sessions here. These resistances and the Sunday low, very, very important. And then obviously once we break higher, and should we do that, then the resistance area here comes into focus between 113,430 and 121,670. I have no evidence whatsoever that the bull market is over. Some people might say that this is the case. I find it too early to confirm. I made videos about the topic. I talked about what is needed to confirm that the bear market is there. For those of you who haven't seen the videos, feel free to also follow us on the MCO Global channel. This is actually the more crypto online channel, but I put the link for you guys to the MCO Global channel in the comment section. I covered quite a lot of different Bitcoin long-term indicators there and explained to you over the last 2 days what are the indicators that really need to flash for me to confirm the bear market. So yeah, that will be on the MCO Global channel. Feel free to check it out. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Very important because I still get a lot of emails about has the bear market started, and I made the videos already, right? I explained it for everybody. Now, I also want to take a look at the weekly chart because on the weekly chart we are tracking the moving averages, yeah? And for now, it looks like we are not going to close the weekly candle above the 21-week EMA. That would require a break above 111K. We're not there yet. I mean, that would be cool, right? That would be really cool. For now, we are below the 21-week EMA, okay? And that is not necessarily a major support level that we lost there, but it's a short-term trend filter, and it opens the door to a pullback towards 98.5K. This would be the next strong support level, and I would expect some support in that area If we get there, yeah, it just makes sense because this is the, yeah, as I said, 55-week EMA, and it has provided support throughout this cycle several times. So that's basically it. Yeah, we need to see now if the bulls can drive the price above resistance. That would be helpful from a bullish point of view. Again, the market still has room lower even in a bullish market. So the lower we go while still holding bullish support, especially around 98.5K, the better the reward to risk ratio for those who are looking to enter a position. That's the update on Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, yeah, then check out our membership options on our channel page. There is a video that explains the member benefits. You also get a lot of updates, member-only videos, typically about Sui or some other coins, additional member videos, and also on Discord, which you can access as a gold member, you get access to a lot of additional updates, charts, news, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.